Alright, we are live. Hey guys, RC here. In today's video, we are going to be doing a market update. So, first thing we're going to be doing in the video is going over what's been happening in the market. And the second thing is I'm going to show you guys me placing a live trade on XDC. I made a video, a YouTube short on how to buy crypto on Kucoin, but I didn't actually place the order because I was saving that for another video, which is this one. So the first thing you do is get some coffee, tea, and some snacks, because this is going to be a good one. Alright, first thing, let's go see what's going on. So Bitcoin's down about 3%. In the past 7 days, they're down 8%. So it's right down 38,000, and it's actually going up because it did level all the way down to 38,000. And wow, is there no chart? There we go. So look at this. It's actually getting bought up a lot if you're paying attention, because it leveled all the way down to like almost 38,000 flat, and then it's just getting bought up fast. That's literally like hundreds of dollars right now. So it went from 31,000 practically to 3,700. Can't think when I get dings. So yeah, Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down 8%. So basically right now, the best thing you can do is, if you have cash on the sideline, what I would say is to keep accumulating, adding more into your buying power, and basically, so just keep building up that savings that you're using to invest, and just take small amounts. Like if it's a little bag, you'll be taking small amounts like $10, $20 and throwing it into your investments. So since I'm really bullish on SHIB for the long haul, I have just been focused mostly on them. Also, if you know something, notice something interesting, is they are trading very similar to Bitcoin. And if we click that, look at that. There's SHIB, the red, and then there is Bitcoin. So it's almost like it's very, very similar. That's pretty cool. So anyways, for SHIB, I haven't bought, I bought like 4 million, and I bought them at like 2.8, 2.7, no 2.7 and 2.6, and like just $50 each, so not much. And if it goes down past 2.5, I'll probably start putting more on it. The optimum goal is to get it right around 2 flat, because it's easier to manage it when it's on a nice even number, and that would really be good if I can get like $1,000 at 2 and then wait for it to kind of cycle back to 3. If I was to trade it, that would be a pretty good deal. And actually, we'll go ahead and do that number. So if you were to do $1,000, divide that by 0.002, we would have 50 million times 0.003. So you'd make $500 from that, because you subtract how much you put in minus 1,000. You're left with $500. I think that's right. Isn't that right? That may be wrong. I don't know. Hold on, because I'm about to say, wait, that's, well, no, that is right, because if it went from 0.002 to 3 that'd be 500, and if it went to 4, that would be we go to 2,000. Right, because we had 50 million, and if we do 0.004, 2,000. So that is right. You make about $500 trading in that trade. That's not bad, by the way. It can go from 2 to 3, no big deal. So that's what I'm saying. Take advantage of this opportunity to buy, because if you go to the 7-day. If 7 days, it was over 3, and it started going down quite a bit. So let's go ahead and see what the news is saying. A lot of FUD, like this one, price prediction, SHIB on the way to retest during lows of 4.0 and a 1.7. Dude, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, if it drops at 1.7, I'm gonna be frantically trying to mow yards to get some money fast into this sucker, because when it's in the 1.7 zone, That is really good buying zone. So cool. Coinbase fixes potentially market nuking flaw. Oh, let's check this out. Oh my gosh. An engineer has revealed how he spotted a flaw in Coinbase's advanced trading feature that could have allowed malicious users to sell Bitcoin without owning it. Tree of Alpha received a bug bounty of 250,000, believed to be the biggest ever reward given by the exchange after helping the company avert a potential crisis. I love it, those bug bounties. They're so cool. They pay you to fix, they put a bounty on a bug and you get compensated for that. So that's pretty cool. He says, you're hoping this UI bug. I checked the fills on the order and they matched the API. Those trades really happened on the live order book. If exploited in the real world, this would have allowed Tree of Alpha to pocket a whopping $2 million, all for less than a cent. Holy crap. $250K. Would you rather folks just exploit these bugs and nuke Coinbase and their customers' assets to zero? Others are more critical that such a vulnerability could go live in the first place. Extremely unsettling that such a basic flaw can go undetected. Yep, that's freaky. But hey, isn't that nice that Coinbase has their group of engineers that work on this, that take care of their system? I would say yes. So cool. Bitcoin's down. Sheep's at a good price, right around 2.5. So if you have $1,000 guys to invest, or 500, or maybe not even that much, just take a small amount of what you have and just do a little at a time. The worst thing you can do is don't invest at all. So definitely invest, but don't forget to dollar cost average, because believe me, I've tried just buying it all at once, but it can be very emotionally unsettling, because if I dumped everything I had on Coinbase, right, which is like 2K, and I just buy Sheep right now, Sheep could drop. I don't know what Sheep's going to do tomorrow. It could drop drastically or it could go up. But usually it starts kind of trickling down lower and lower and lower for a while, and then it builds momentum. So then that whole time I'm just stressing out, because I'm like, dang it, I'm missing out on profit because I should have bought at this price. And you can fix that just by buying at 2.7, 2.6, doing small amounts, and it limits your risk, right? That's the biggest goal. Alright, so we're on Kucoin. If you haven't seen our YouTube short, how to buy, I'll quickly go over it. First thing is log in. If you have a phone, you can scan this thing right here. Actually, you'll click login, and then it'll come up with a QR code like this that's bigger. On here, you can just click your account, and Kucoin can be pretty tricky, but over here, it's not too hard to figure it out. Crap, I got lost. See, it's pretty tricky. You can get lost so quickly in Kucoin. Okay, log in. Okay, you go over here to the left where it says overview. Ooh, boys and girls, we are down a lot. This account where it says main account should be right around $25,000. So if any of y'all are down in the crypto market or stocks, don't be sad, because everyone else is down too. As you can see, I'm down over $10,000. So, alright, so the first thing you're going to do if you're doing this with me is I'm trying to get more XDC. I put $1,000 on XDC and it's worth 671 because it's been going down. I bought in at 8. It's gone down quite a bit, so I'm going to try to buy in right around 5 cents per XDC. The way you do this is, if you have USDT, you would take USDT and you're going to do transfer. You're going to go from your main account to your trading account, select the amount, it'll pop up right here, you'll click that, confirm it, then it will send your money from your main account into your trading account, and then we'll get to that. So before we go to trading account, let's go ahead and check out these other ones. This is margin, futures, and financial account. You probably won't be using those that much if you're just starting out. I haven't tapped into any of these because I haven't felt that need yet. So the main accounts you're going to be using is number 1, main account, number 2, trading account. So in trading account, we're going to go to trade. Now it's going to say trade and transfer here. So the same thing, if you made profit and you have money, you would just do trade, and you just do transfer, and you transfer that back to your main account. Trade, this would be good if you wanted to convert USDT to USDC or whatever pair that they're offering right here. But this isn't where you go to actually trade your stable coin for other coins. This is just converting stable coin to another stable coin right here, I believe. I think that's I think that's right. So the way you get to trade is you're going to go to the top, go to trade. You have 3 options. You have spot, margin, and trading bot. You're going to go to spot. Over here, it most likely will have a bunch of crap, so I just kind of cleared it out, although it saved where I was at, which is XDC USDT. Oh dang, check this out. 542. Oh, so XDC is kind of going back up, so at 549. Dang, guys, if I would have bought when I made that YouTube short, I would have got it around 542. But in the past 30 minutes, it's gone up. That's not a big deal, you know. It's alright. So in here, you're going to type in the coin. If you don't know where to select it, it's right up here next to the Kucoin. We're doing XDC. Click that. Over here, I like to set my chart to the 4 hour, and I set mine to like the 1 day. Now over here in indicators, I go to volatility and I do Bollinger Bands. It's nice to have Bollinger Bands because it allows you to kind of get an idea of what's going on. Over here on the moving average, the purple, what you want is you want the candlesticks, you want the price to be under the middle line. If it's under the middle line and it's way down here, like in this area where I'm kind of circling, that's good. That means that the price has gone down and it's leveling out. It's at a good buy zone. If it's kind of trading in the middle, it's just trading sideways. If it's doing kind of like this, or it's going like that, that's trading sideways. And those are good too, because if it's trading sideways for a while, most likely a breakout is coming up. And a breakout looks something like this. We'll go ahead, boom, there's a breakout. So check this out. It's trading sideways, going boom, 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 up, down, doo, doo, doo. And then it goes right here, so boom. This is breakout. Boom, it just gets bought up like crazy. It's like a moon goes, wee, flies off. And then usually with a high breakout like that, it starts to kind of, it may go down a little bit and then go back up. And then after that, it's going to start going back down. And as you can see, it started going down. See right here, whoops, it was doing good, and then boom, this starts going back down. Don't you guys like these sound effects? So basically that happened again over here. It went down, it got bought up, and right now it's kind of it's trying to find that next support. So ideally it would have been nice to get around 541. You know, that would have been nice. Oh, you know what, hold on, let me zoom out, way out, so you guys can see what a nice breakout looks like. There we go. I forgot, I was in the 1 minute and the 15 minutes, so those are good too, but this is also breakout. It goes up, and it's a stair-step pattern. That's how it works. So for the past 12 hours, it's gone up quite a bit, went all the way up to like, there it was at like 10 cents. And this is all the way back in like January. And then it starts to hit a bearish zone, and now it's right around 5 cents. So if you bought in right around 10 cents and it's at 5 cents, I recommend buying because you're getting it for 50% cheaper than when you first bought it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get a limit order set up before we forget. I love Kucoin because you can set a trading password, a trading pin. So if anyone somehow gets into your account, they have to have a trading pin to finagle around with your money. So it's right around 5.5. I'm not too picky with XDC because I'm holding them for the long haul. So I'll probably buy them right at 5.49. And if it goes down some more, it's okay. XDC, I'm putting 200 bucks in, and I'm going to be holding this for a very long time. So not too worried about the current price I'm getting it at. And it's already gone down quite a bit because I did buy it at 8 cents. It's at 5 cents and a half. So that's already a good deal. So as you can see, we did price. And the way you do price is, I'll go ahead and cancel it real quick to show you guys again. So boom, right here where I highlighted it, it's at 5.5. So I did 5.49, and then I did 100%. That's all the money I want to put on it, which is around $197. Volume, you can do a limit, market, or stop limit. As I say in most of my videos, always do limit, never do market. I can't think of an opportunity to ever do market. So we're hit buy. Okay, you have placed an order. We will get around 3,598 XDC. I'm going to take a picture because I agree and believe that everyone should track their trades. It's good to make sure you know what you're doing. So we'll go ahead and let that do its thing, and we'll go ahead and look at XDC while we're waiting. If you don't know what XDC is, I recommend you guys go to CoinMarketCap and go ahead and look at XDC and check out their website. One reason I really like this coin is, number one, it's a banker's coin. Number two, it's been merged. It has code from Ethereum and JP Morgan, which is pretty cool. Trying to find where their website's at. Here we go. It's called Zenfin. Go ahead and watch this video.
What is Zenfin? Zenfin stands for Exchange Infinite. It is the next generation of the global computer network, connecting communities and enterprises around the globe using blockchain technology. The network is powered by its native fuel, called Zenfin Digital Contracts, or XDCs. Zenfin is a first-of-its-kind hybrid blockchain network. It combines the power and transparency of public blockchains with the security and speed of private networks. A permissioned consensus mechanism replaces the wasteful, energy-intensive mining, making XDC essentially mining-free. So how does hybrid work? The network has a public stake that is shared by all members. Additionally, enterprises can host private subnetworks. So with Enterprise A and B, each will have the public stake plus their own unique private stake. The public state can be used to share basic data securely and transparently across the XDC network. The private state can be used to protect sensitive or financial data from the outside world. The XDC protocol can work as a messaging and confirmation layer for domestic or cross-border approved payments. Or the XDC token can be used as a payment and settlement layer, supported by approved financial institutions. With secure and audited smart contracts and IoT integration, the XDC protocol facilitates real-world contracts and transactions. Come, join the XDC community.
Okay, guys, so that gives you a little overview of XDC. You can check them out at zenfin.org. They are a decentralized hybrid and liquid network. I don't know how to say that word. I looked at this last time in the video. Their TPS transactions per second. They can do 2,000 TPS transactions per second. Bitcoin can only do 3 to 6. Ethereum 12 to 16. And if you look at the fee, $15 for Bitcoin, $10 for Ethereum, and not even a penny for XDC. Their transactions confirmation, it takes Bitcoin 10 to 60 minutes, Ethereum 10 to 20, and 2 seconds for XDC. So they're very fast. Smart contract support, Bitcoin no, Ethereum yes, XDC yes. Energy consumption, 71 TWH, 20 TWH, and not even 1 TWH for XDC. So this is a really cool crypto to check out. So this is XDC. I would recommend you guys check it out, because the thing you have to remember is you're not just buying these coins just to make money off of. That's one goal, but you're also investing in blockchain technology. So when you mention cryptocurrency, a lot of people think, that's just a get rich quick thing. It's like, no, this is blockchain that is already changing the world, whether you realize it or not. So check out XDC. And cool, the order went through. If you guys were noticing that loud sound, that was a Kucoin. So our order at 549 right here, I'll highlight it. It went through. So now if we go to assets, we'll have our XDC in this account. And I'll most likely leave it in this trading account because it's easier for me to see. I already know how much I put in. It's easy for me to see if I've made any profit off of that. So we got 3,000 XDC in here, and we got the 12,000 here. So that's around 15,000 XDC. XDC is going to be huge. It's predicted. One of these videos predicted it to go to $3,000 per XDC. So if it did somehow do that, let me show you how much 15,000 would be worth. If you had 15,000 XDC and they went to $3,000 per XDC, that's $45 million. Now, you may think that's crazy now. 10 years from now, who knows? Maybe it doesn't. If it does, I'll tell you what, I will definitely be staking that and probably buy real estate. So alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Appreciate you guys for watching, hanging around. More videos are coming. I've cut down to filming mostly YouTube shorts and going live, partly because I'm working 12 hours now, 5:30 to 2 p.m. at Costco, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. at 2:30 to 6 p.m. at the brokerage for real estate, learning property management. So that's 12 hours working just about Monday through Friday. So because of that, I'm dedicating Sundays to YouTube, filming, and just kind of editing. So when the hours get cut down, we'll definitely work on making those videos like we used to, because I do miss editing. So thank you guys for watching. I want to like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll get back to you. Thanks again.